In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail username or name. This process is quite straightforward, but it's always good to have a guide to follow along with. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google account homepage. You can do this by typing myaccountgoogle.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Google account homepage, look at the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Personal Info. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can see various information about your Google account, including your contact info, basic info, and personal details. Now, on the Personal Info page, you'll see a section that says Basic Info. In this section, you'll find your name listed. To change your Gmail username or name, click on your name. This will open a new window where you can edit your first and last names. Type in the new name that you wish to use for your Gmail account. Make sure to double-check your spelling to ensure that everything is correct before you proceed. Once you're satisfied with your new name, click the Save button. Your changes will be saved immediately, and your Gmail username will be updated to reflect your new name. It's important to remember that these changes will appear on all Google services linked to your account, so make sure it's the name you want to use across the board. Now, there's one more thing to keep in mind. Changing your Gmail username or name does not affect your actual Gmail email address. Unfortunately, if you want to change your email address itself, you'd need to create an entirely new account. This process we're going through today is specifically for changing how your name appears on emails and other Google services. As a tip, after changing your name, it might be a good idea to send a test email to another account you control or to a friend, just to ensure everything looks as expected when others receive emails from you. You want to make sure your name is displaying correctly and that your new identity is being effectively communicated. That wraps it up. Changing your Gmail username is that simple. Remember, keeping your personal information up to date ensures better communication and helps maintain your professional and personal relationships across Google's platform. If you ever need to change it again in the future, you know exactly where to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.